In this video, we will derive the closed form of series 1 times 3 plus 3 times 5 plus 5 times 7 plus so on up to n terms. Let Sn denotes the series 1 times 3 plus 3 times 5 plus 5 times 7 plus so on up to n terms. The summation form of the series is sigma I is from 1 to n 2 times I minus 1 times 2 times I plus 1. So Sn is equal to sigma I is from 1 to n 4 times square of I minus 1. So Sn is equal to 4 times sigma I is from 1 to n square of I minus sigma I is from 1 to n 1. So Sn is 4 times sum of squares of first n natural numbers minus summing up 1 n times. We also know the sum of squares of first n natural numbers is equal to n times n plus 1 times 2 times n plus 1 upon 6. The video explaining the derivation is appearing in the upper right corner. Also, the link of the video has been mentioned in the description section. So substituting the series with the value in the expression for Sn, we get Sn is equal to 4 times n plus 1 times 2 times n plus 1 upon 6 minus n. Cancelling out the common factor 2 in the numerator and the denominator, in the first fraction we get Sn is equal to 2 times n plus 1 times 2 times n plus 1 upon 3 minus n. Taking out the common factor n, we get Sn is equal to n times 2 times n plus 1 times 2 times n plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Expanding the numerator and adding the two fractions, we get Sn is equal to n times 4 times square of n plus 2 times n plus 4 times n plus 2 minus 3 upon 3. Further simplification gives us 1 times 3 plus 3 times 5 plus 5 times 7 plus so on up to n terms is equal to n times 4 times square of n plus 6 times n minus 1 upon 3, as Sn denotes the series 1 times 3 plus 3 times 5 plus 5 times 7 plus so on up to n terms. Thank you for being with me. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button and subscribe button. Do not forget to press the notification bell so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Share the video and do write in the comments. I am eager to listen to your thoughts. If you have any question related to video, or if you think I should make a video on any topics in which you are interested, please write in the comments. Thank you.